2 jobs. One tool. Introducing Tornado Force 5. Turn your handheld string trimmer into a powerful submersible pump. The TF5 is a submersible pump attachment for your string trimmer. It is less expensive and yet more user-friendly than any submersible pump on the market. It is compatible with most string trimmers, and when used with a gas-type trimmer, it's portable too. No need for extension cords or electrical source. The TF5 pump attaches quickly without tools or adapters. It quick snaps onto the string trimmer coupler and comes with a standard garden hose connection at the pump housing. Just place the pump housing in the liquid to be transferred and pull the trigger on the string trimmer. It pumps up to 25 gallons per minute or 1,500 gallons per hour. The TF5 submersible pump is ideal for emptying flooded water meter holes, removing rainwater from out of boats, draining washing machines that break down during the full cycle, cleaning out fish ponds and fish tanks, evacuating flooded basements. Just put the hose out the basement window and pump water up to 12 feet straight up. Pump cattle tanks, empty jacuzzis or pools, or clear out holes with broken water lines, even muddy water. And because of the handheld wand style of this pump, no more bending, stooping, or muddy knees. Use it anywhere liquids need to be removed. The TF5 submersible pump is highly recommended for homeowners, city and county water departments, farmers and ranchers, golf courses, dairies, feedlots, or for repair services, and many more. The Tornado Force 5. Turn your handheld string trimmer into a powerful submersible pump.